I'm here at Horton in Ribersdale, where I'm about to take part in the Yorkshire 3 Peaks, all in aid of sunshine and smiles. It's 24.5 miles and I'm going to have an incline of over 5,000 feet. Take a look at the route. The Yorkshire 3 Peaks Trail typically begins at Horton in Ribersdale. From here, the walkers will head 2.3 miles towards their first summit, Pen y Ghent. A 694-metre walk with an incline of 2,276 feet. From this scenic start, the walkers will trek a further 12.5 miles to reach Whernside. This is the second climb, a 736-metre walk with an incline of 2,415 feet. For the third and final mountain climb, it's a 6.3-mile walk to Ingleborough, where the climbing will trek 723 metres and hike 2,372 feet. As the walkers complete their circle back towards Horton in Ribersdale, they will achieve 24.5 miles and around 5,000 feet, which should take most people 12 hours. Tell us a little bit about the charity that we're walking for today.
So we support young people who have Down syndrome and children and their families. We do lots of different groups and activities, speech and language, swimming, dance, individual support, always looking at ways of keeping going and developing, which is why fundraising is so important for us.
I can't fake it, it's just another day of feeling low. I just take it, I lay here and I tell myself I'm gonna be better. Another day gone, but tomorrow I know I'm gonna be better, better. I'm gonna be better. Another day gone, but tomorrow I know I'm gonna be better, better. I've been staring at my phone all afternoon, hoping someone's gonna tell me what to do and help me crawl my way out of this blues. Is it you?
It's about another 9 miles from here to get to the bottom at Ribblehead, so
Let's plough on then.
let's go.
Let's go.
I can't fake it, it's just another day of feeling low. I just take it, I lay here and I tell myself I'm gonna be better. Another day gone, but tomorrow I know I'm gonna be better, better.
I'm getting my first blister. My boots are a little bit too small and so it's getting a bit rubbed, so I'm going to put a plaster on there so I can last the next 9 hours out.
Oh, I'm loving it. I'm loving it. It's not easy, I have to say, yes, but I'm loving it.
It's great because Sunshine and Smiles actually pushes the opportunities and shows the kids how they can live a really full life with lots of other people.
Ailith, how's the walk going?
The walk's going really, really well, thank you. We're having a fantastic time. The sun has come out.
We've been walking now 12.5 miles, can you believe it?
It's brilliant. I can't believe actually when Elif mentioned I wasn't aware. It's just already halfway, isn't it? Yeah.
I know, and the
I think
weather's changed.
It must be the company since we have Archie. It just seems to be going better and better.
Archie's everywhere, look at him smiling away, having a great old time. I'm going to loop right around there and end up pretty much straight across from where we are now. It's currently touching on 11 o'clock. I'm probably going to finish about 7:30. Long way to go yet.
I'm doing well.
Rose backs herself. We'll see how you are when we get to the top of there. Now, I'm chatting to you because we've been doing this great thing. That's where we've been going along. We've been picking up litter,
Yeah.
but we've also been picking up what?
Hundreds of banana skins.
Guys, what are you doing? And there we have it. We've just made it up to the second peak. Take a look just to my left here. As we're inside, look at that view. Absolutely incredible.
Just there, so you can see Horton down the bottom, straight up to Pen y Ghent where we were, and then we've come all the way down to the back of the viaduct here, swung all the way around up here, and then over there next.
Look at that, take a look. Just over there to Ingleborough. That is the final peak.
So bizarre to think that we've been going for 12 hours. We've been through every weather condition apart from the snow.
Yeah.
It's been fantastic. It's been a challenge. It really has. And like going up the side of Ingleborough, rain started, clouds started, and I think everyone has really just kind of like, you know, pushed themselves, and it's been amazing.